The gut can switch genes on or off and influence hormone balance, among others. Unhealthy habits disrupt balance, weaken the gut barrier. This gives way for chronic inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and even metabolic disorders. Read on to know habits that can restore the gut balance. Your gut has been responsible for functions beyond digestion. It is also termed as the second brain since it functions as the body's command center for everything from metabolism to mood. The gut can switch genes on or off, influence hormone balance, and shape how well your body absorbs nutrients. A healthy gut is detected by its production of short-chain fatty acids (SCFAs) that helps reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and keep your digestion efficient. But when poor diet, stress, or unhealthy habits disrupt this balance, the gut barrier can weaken. This gives way for chronic inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and even metabolic disorders. Mr. Sid Dawson Subodh Yadav, co-founders at eGenome.ai, share small, consistent habits that can restore this balance that keeps your gut healthy. When you reduce fiber, you are essentially starving the good bacteria in your gut. Without their main fuel, these microbes shrink in variety and produce fewer short-chain fatty acids (SCFAs) that are important for keeping the gut lining strong, calming inflammation, and supporting healthy metabolic signals. Over time, this fiber deficiency can set the stage for constipation, IBS, Crohn's disease, and even lower immunity. Eat fiber-rich foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables, since they behave like a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria to restore microbial balance. Eating too much refined sugar and processed carbs changes your gut chemistry. High consumption of refined sugars and processed carbohydrates promotes harmful bacterial overgrowth, compromises the gut barrier, and makes the gut lining weak and leaky, allowing unwanted substances to slip into the bloodstream. This triggers systemic inflammation, impairs insulin sensitivity, and predisposes individuals to type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Every spike in blood sugar acts a bit like the Browning effect in cooking. It accelerates internal wear and tear, shortening lifespan over time. Thus, controlling spikes caused by sugar and refined carbs is a frontline defense for gut health. Eating too often, too quickly, or while stressed puts your body in fight or flight mode, suppressing parasympathetic nervous system (PSNS) activity. This slows down digestion, reducing enzymes and making the gut lining leaky, which can trigger inflammation and poor nutrient absorption. Mindful eating, slowing down, chewing thoroughly, engaging the senses, and focusing attention on the meal, restores PSNS activation and digestive efficiency. Giving your digestive system a real break between meals is like giving it a chance to catch its breath. Those longer breaks can help keep blood sugar steady, reduce inflammation, and prevent constant feeding of bacteria that can throw digestion off track. It is not just when you eat, but also how your digestion starts. The liver is the poison metabolism factory of the body. It helps digest food by producing bile, filters out toxins, and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. But habits like eating too much sugar, relying on heavily processed foods, or constant exposure to environmental pollutants can slow it down. When the liver struggles, digestion falters, the microbiome shifts, and inflammation rises, reducing SCFA production and worsening gut issues. Targeted nutritional and supplemental support can restore liver and